Easy-to-grip curved non-slip handles help children master self-feeding. Deep spoon for easy scooping. Rounded fork tines eliminate sharp edges. Bottom flat spot eliminates rolling. Silicone, plastic, stainless steel. BPA, phalate, and PVC-free. Dishwasher safe. Suitable for children 12 months and older. Includes 1 5.4 L by 1.1 W fork, 1 5.4 L by 0.9 W spoon. This cute fork and spoon set from OXO Tot is ideal for little ones learning to feed themselves. The curved handles are soft and non-slip for easy gripping, fork tines are effective, but have no sharp edges, and the spoon is deep for easy scooping. Top reviews from the United States. Toddler uses to self-feed. My young toddler was grabbing at the adult forks and spoons from our hands, desperate to feed himself. I got these so he could actually hold them, which he did on first try. He's still working on the fork skills, but the spoon was just right. He also likes to gnaw on the handles while teething, supervised. I bought these after reading tons of other reviews and glad I did. I felt like the child would outgrow the ones that have a little guard, shield thing where the fork or spoon meet the handle, and I didn't like the prospect of mold, biting off of silicone, rubber fork tines or other issues reviewers noted about other products. I like OXO products generally and was glad to see another well-designed product from them. No, I did not get a free product or anything to say that. I just tend to like their kitchen gear.